Hello, I'm going to show you how your child can access their work through Google Classroom. The first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, whatever you're using. And we're going to search for Google Classroom. It's going to come up with a few options. Most of these will work fine. I'm just going to click on the one that just says Google Classroom over here. And then you can see the big button in the middle saying Go to Classroom. Now that's going to take you to a sign-in page. Here, I need to sign in with the child's school account. It might be a hub account. It might be a school's own Google account. The details will have been sent home by the teacher, I'm sure. One word of caution, at school, children might be used to just typing in their name. On Chromebooks, that's all they need to do. At home, however, it's important that we add the rest of the email address. Now, if your school is using Hub, this would just be hubcymru.net. However, some schools, it might be different. It might be at and name of the school. You'll have those details sent home with the children anyway, I'm sure. You click next, you type in their password. One word there, if you're using a Hub account, it might take you to a Hub branded page where you'll be asked to type in the email address again. That's fine, do so. That's just so it logs in through the right channel. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Here's the name of the class here. You might have more than one square. However, it'll be clear which one their main classroom is. I'm going to click on our class. And that takes me into this classroom. A few things to see on the main page. This is the stream. What I'll see on here is any messages by the teacher, any discussions by the pupils, any work set, all in chronological order. Depending if the teacher's allowing children to write on the wall or not, it is possible to click here, type something in. Obviously, note of caution there, whatever you type in will be viewed by the other pupils in the class and by the teacher, and they use it to talk about work issues and nothing else. The vast majority of your time in classroom, however, will be spent in the classwork tab at the top there. If you click on this one, you'll be taken to a page that looks a little bit like this. I'm sure there'll be more work than just the one there that I've got as in this example here. What you'll see, here's the name of the task, character description. It's underneath the topic English. How this is organized is up to your teacher. Some will go by subject, some will go by dates. It'll be pretty obvious from the instructions which one you need to access. We're going to click on character description, which just pops out a bit more information. There'll be a description of the task written by the teacher here. It might be short, such as this one, or it might be a full set of instructions for you to follow. You'll also have the resources. There's only one resource here. You can see the box. These can be read-only things for the pupils to read or to watch a video before they start doing the main work, or they might be the actual documents the children need to work on. So this example is a document I can work on. Over here, this is where your child's name will be, and then this is the name of the document. I could click on that and start work straight away, but I'm just going to click on this view assignment button here to take me a bit deeper into the page for this task. Again, you'll see the name and the description. There is an add class comment button here. Again, if you type in here, all the pupils in the class will be able to see what you wrote as well as the teacher. This private comment box is just between you and the teacher. If you write there, only the teacher will see it, not the other pupils. And then in this box in the right corner here, first of all, the resources are here again, exactly as they were in the previous page. There is an add or create button. So if you're going to start from a blank document, I can click add or create and start with the docs, which is your word processing, slides, which is your presentation, sheets, which is your spreadsheet, and drawings. There's also the option to add things that you've already done in Google Drive, or the file one lets you upload things from the computer or your phone. For example, if you've taken photos of the children doing a task, you can upload it to Google Classroom so the teacher can see it from there. The last button is hand in. Be careful with that button, because if it's clicked and you hand in the work, that's effectively telling the teacher that you're finished with this task. And it means that you aren't now able to edit it anymore or change what you've done. Don't worry if you do it by mistake. All you have to do is unsubmit the task. That brings it back under the student control and they can edit the work again. Once they're ready to start working, they click on the documents that's been created for them, let it load, and here we go. This is a blank one, but it might be full of a template the teacher's written, depending on the task, and off we go. When I finished, I don't have to share it. All I have to do is turn it in, either the button here or the one we were looking at earlier inside Classroom. And one final note, there's no need to save. Notice if I go to File, there's no Save or Save As. Everything in Classroom saves automatically. So you do not have to ever find the save button, and you won't lose the work if they accidentally close it down. There you go, quick instruction to Google Classroom there, and good luck with using it.